It's Jerry Roman in the house serving up stock advice Snoop Dogg style. For shizzle my investors, it's the one and only Snoop D-O-double-G, and I'm here to lay down the 411 on Palantir stock. This ain't just any stock, it's the real deal. Check it. 1. Revenue growth forecast a sizzling 16.1%. Palantir's on the up and up and the numbers ain't frontin'. They're in it to win it. 2. Last quarter's revenue, a smooth 1.1 billion. That's billion with a capital B, baby. Palantir's not just spitting game, they're making it rain. 3. Possible S&P 500 inclusion. If Q3's a hit, Palantir's rolling with the big dogs. Can you dig it? The sky's the limit. 4. Cutting edge technology. Palantir's data analytics are off the hook. They're not just playing the game, they're changing it. Innovation's their jam. 5. Expanding global reach. Palantir ain't just a local player, they're going worldwide. From the LBC to the global stage, they're making moves. Don't snooze on this, players. Palantir stock ain't just about the Benjamins, it's investing in what's next. Stay fly, stay ahead, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this funky, fresh insight. Want to get schooled for free? Follow my man Jerry on YouTube for lessons and trade alerts. Keep it real and keep it locked. Peace.